Hey, this is Jason from the Podium product team. Excited to share a few inbox updates today. We'll dive right in. First of all, we've made it easier to personalize messages with your custom fields from the contact profile. So whether you're sending a bulk message using a one-off template or just typing out a message in the inbox, you can use a variable, the name of the field surrounded by colons, to insert this data directly into the message. Now, what does this do for you? It makes your messages more personal, and it can add important context that your customers need, when confirming details about their goods or services and so forth they're buying from you. So excited to release this and see you all get started using it. Next, we've made it easier to get more context about what's going on inside a conversation without opening it when you're looking at it in the inbox. So not only some improved consistency in how we preview the message and recent events, but also you'll see over here the little bubbles or avatars, with the small one being the assigned team member. So you know who's working on a particular conversation at a given time. Next up, of course, you're working in Podium as a team all the time, but in the past, it hasn't always been easy to manage scheduled messages as a team. Maybe you could see them, but they were hard to find. Maybe there's a team member who was out for a day and you needed to update a message that they had scheduled and you found you couldn't do that. Now those things are possible. So you'll see all messages scheduled for your team here in the scheduled messages section. You'll be able to go in and preview them. And if needed, you can delete the scheduled messages for conversations you have access to. Now, there's going to be a note left in the conversation so everyone knows adjustments have been made. But we're excited to release this update to make it easier and more transparent for you to work together as a team. Next, a couple of things that are coming up right around the corner. First of all, we all know how frustrated it is when you try and send a message, it comes back, it's red, it hasn't been delivered, and you don't really know why. And sometimes it's really difficult to diagnose these because the carriers will not deliver the message for sometimes an unknown reason. So what we're doing is making it easier to find when a message has failed with this little failed messages view in your inbox where the failed messages will show up. When you see a failed message, you're also going to see a little error code that you can hover on to see why the message failed and learn more about what you can do to fix that. Of course, we're always here to help. Lastly, you'll see a report now on the reporting page showing a summary of why messages have failed recently and how frequently that's happened to give you an idea of if something you're seeing is out of the ordinary or something that's consistent with what you've seen in the past. We can use all these things together to diagnose and fix these failures to make sure your messages are being delivered properly. Finally, an update you'll see over the next couple of months that we're very excited about. We want to help you increase the conversion of your leads and conversations you're having in the inbox. And we know that that's hard. It's easy for contacts to fall between the cracks in the midst of everything going on. So what we're doing is we're implementing contact status in the inbox as the primary way to organize your conversations. You'll get more information about this in the coming weeks and months, advance notice to help you prepare. But we are really excited about what this will do to help you stay organized, to help you increase your lead conversion. Reach out to your customer success manager if you are interested in getting early access to this. We do have some people who are using it today, and it's going really well. Great. Well, that's all we've got today. Thanks all. See ya.